Hi guys, VST here with Tech. Another short video on how to install the Fortnite on your OnePlus device after, you know what I'm talking about, the whole story between Epic Games and Google and also of course Apple, but we don't really care about Apple right now. So if you didn't know about the news, right now you're not able to go on the Play Store and download Fortnite, right? But you know, you can do the following, and that, according to me, is the best way. Instead of downloading some very strange and weird APKs, just go directly on the Epic Games website. There's going to be a QR code displayed there. Now open your camera, right, and then go here. There is a button for Google Lens. So when you do it like this, now we're going to apparently activate the Google Lens. And then you just need to scan it, right? Tap the shutter button, scan. And then guys, directly go to website, and then actually you're gonna open the Fortnite website here, and then it's very quick. Play free now, you have to press here, okay? An APK Fortnite installer is gonna get actually installed, so you need to download it of course, and after downloading you just need to open that one. Do you want to install this application? Press install. You're actually installing the Epic Game software, and from Epic Game software guys, it's very easy for you to browse the Epic games like Fortnite and the others, and just press install, you know, and as simple as that guys. You know, you don't need any unsigned APKs which probably can potentially harm your phone right now. That's a big topic. Follow the original official instructions from Epic Games and play Fortnite. Really hope you like this short video. If that's the case, you know what to do. Subscribe and like. VST over and bye.